Hey guys, this is how to find serial number of noise smartwatch. So guys, I made this table over here with multiple solutions, so follow along. First one is just simply access the settings in order for you to see the serial number by just simply swiping down from the watch face and just simply tap on the settings icon. And after that, just simply look for an option like about watch or about device or device info, and from there you should be able to see your serial number and it should be listed on the screen. Now another one is just simply check the watch back. So guys, some smartwatches have serial number printed near the model number, so make sure to watch out for that as well. And another one is just simply check the packaging. Most of the time, guys, the serial number will be on the packaging. So if it's still available and you still have it, just simply go to your original box and you should be able to see something like this. So make sure to watch out for the serial number. And you should have this SN icon over here. And this should be your serial number. There you go. See ya.